In today's market, pool builders and service companies face rising ad costs and fluctuating demand. The key is to automatically qualify pool leads, ensuring only high-intent prospects reach your calendar. Imagine focusing on profitable builds instead of chasing every lead, with every interaction tracked, scored, and nurtured to a clear next step. This AI-powered system elevates your marketing, turning your website into a powerful lead generation engine. PoolLeads.ai is designed for this challenge. Traditional marketing struggles to deliver consistent, quality leads, leading to wasted time and lost ground to competitors. By leveraging artificial intelligence (AI) in SEO, chat, and media buying, you can prioritize search intent, build local authority, and implement airtight tracking. This guide offers a 7-step playbook to score, nurture, and book high-intent customers automatically, applicable in days, not months. Automatic lead qualification is a connected system, not a single tool. Its purpose is to identify search intent, capture interest instantly, enrich leads with context, and route qualified prospects to your calendar. PoolLeads.ai provides an end-to-end system integrating AI-powered SEO, intelligent chat, AI-driven analytics, and paid media to filter for buyer readiness, following a repeatable attract, convert, automate loop. Step 1. Map buyer intent and your ideal customer profile. Clearly define who you serve best and what they search for. Analyze past jobs to identify project values, neighborhoods, timelines, and decision makers. Align your content with buyer intent stages, from initial searches like pool builder near me to more specific queries like gunite versus fiberglass cost. This focuses your efforts on actual buyer questions, allowing PoolLeads.ai to prioritize search intent and local authority, attracting the right homeowners. Step 2. Build an airtight tracking foundation. Measure what matters. Instrument your website to track every form, call, text, and chat, attributing them to their source, keyword, and page. Use call tracking, event tracking for calculators and galleries, and integrate with your CRM for timestamped lead data. PoolLeads.ai's AI-driven analytics learn from these signals, highlighting which sources and pages consistently deliver qualified buyers. Step 3. Create a lead scoring model you trust. Transform noise into clarity with a transparent scoring model. Score leads based on budget fit, urgency, timeline, location, and property readiness, assigning weights that reflect your business margins. Leads surpassing a threshold are routed for booking, while those falling short receive nurturing content. PoolLeads.ai uses intelligent chatbots to ask qualifier questions in natural language, feeding data into your CRM for your team to focus on high-intent opportunities. Step 4. Use AI-powered SEO to improve organic visibility and demand quality. Organic visibility drives predictable demand. AI-assisted SEO helps target local intent terms and create content clusters answering buyer questions. PoolLeads.ai develops structured service pages, neighborhood hubs, and comparison guides that rank and pre-qualify traffic. Strong local rankings attract ready-to-buy searches, significantly increasing the likelihood of conversion for inquiries made within minutes of contact. Step 5. Capture and qualify with intelligent chatbots and friction-light forms. Engage visitors on every page with intelligent chatbots that ask friendly, qualifying questions in real time, avoiding the drop-off caused by long forms. High-scoring leads are invited to schedule a consultation, while others receive helpful resources like design guides. PoolLeads.ai's chat flows are trained on pool-specific queries, clarifying project details with a human-like tone. Step 6. Automate nurture and calendar booking. Nurture promising fits who aren't ready immediately with automated email and SMS sequences. Share relevant information like financing options or project timelines based on each lead stage. Integrate with your scheduling tool for seamless booking, complete with confirmations and reminders. PoolLeads.ai sequences leverage scoring data to send targeted calls to action, building trust and encouraging consultations. Step 7. Optimize with AI-driven analytics and targeted paid media. Regularly tune your system using AI-driven analytics that reveal which pages and keywords drive booked consultations. Feed these insights into your paid media campaigns on Google Ads and social platforms to concentrate budget on high-intent creative inquiries. PoolLeads.ai's AI-based paid ads playbook aligns campaigns with successful organic strategies, reducing spend on low-intent terms and lowering your cost per booked appointment. Your data-driven tech stack for pool lead automation. The right tools should streamline your process. PoolLeads.ai forms the core, integrating AI-powered SEO, intelligent chat, targeted ads, and tracking. Your CRM remains the central hub, with PoolLeads.ai ensuring every event is attributed and scored. This integration allows data to flow automatically, enriching your CRM and routing scores for seamless scheduling, providing clear benchmarks by booked consultations and revenue. Scoring and qualification in practice, a real-world scenario. Suncrest pools aimed for fewer unqualified consultations and more profitable projects. By implementing the 7 steps, they connected every touchpoint to their CRM, replaced generic forms with a chatbot, and launched a neighborhood content hub. Within 90 days, booked consultations increased by 38%, with sales reps reporting fewer dead-end meetings. This success stemmed from pre-qualification and expectation-setting content prior to sales interactions. What changed daily for the Suncrest team was significant. Sales reps opened their calendar to find qualified homeowners already scheduled. Marketing reviewed weekly dashboards ranking content by booked consults, not just traffic. Paid budgets shifted automatically to keywords with the highest booking velocity. Leadership gained confidence in forecast accuracy as the scoring model tied directly to revenue outcomes. Metrics and benchmarks that matter. Focus on key metrics predicting growth, aligning with your qualification and booking goals. Companies contacting new leads within 5 minutes see up to a 10x improvement in conversion. Local pack visibility drives over half of service business phone calls. Track speed to lead, calendar conversions, and content that generates booked consults to distinguish real value from vanity metrics. Simple weekly dashboards should allow for quick review and iteration. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Avoid gating content behind long forms, which deters high-intent visitors. Don't send every lead to sales without a score. Avoid content that sidesteps price ranges and timelines, as buyers seek direct answers. Remember to consider nights and weekends, prime times for homeowner research. The best systems combine clarity, speed, and empathy while protecting your team's time. The PoolLeads.ai advantage, from guesswork to a repeatable system. Most pool companies are built by craftspeople, not data scientists, making a system crucial. PoolLeads.ai offers an AI-driven marketing system automating lead generation and conversion through AI SEO, automated social content, intelligent chatbots, AI-driven analytics, and targeted paid media. It prioritizes search intent and local authority, implements airtight tracking, and provides a repeatable acquisition system for scaling success and reducing waste. This leads to more of the right leads at the right time. The 7-step playbook, checklist you can implement this month. 1. Document best fit profiles and buyer intent questions. 2. Instrument tracking on all forms, chats, calls, and booking events. 3. Adopt a scoring table and set routing thresholds. 4. Publish 2 local content clusters addressing pricing and timelines. 5. Activate intelligent chat with qualifying questions and scheduling options. 6. Launch stage-based nurture sequences with calendar links. 7. Review a weekly dashboard and shift spend to high-quality sources. FAQ, quick answers for busy pool pros. Will this work in competitive markets? Yes, by targeting intent and local authority. How can I focus on high-end projects? Set scoring thresholds and content to emphasize premium materials and design complexity. How soon can I see results? Chat and scheduling wins appear within weeks, with SEO gains compounding over 3 to 6 months. What about cost per acquisition, CAC? Prioritizing booked consultations improves CPL, CAC, and ROI trends. One more pointer, treat your website like a digital showroom that openly answers hard questions. Transparency about budget ranges, timelines, and processes attracts serious buyers. Your calendar will thank you. Where to start this week? Begin with one quick win in each system stage. Add a scheduler to your consultation page, launch an intent-focused article with budget info, and enable chat with qualifying questions. Instrument events properly to see impact. In 1 week, you'll have proof of progress and a foundation to expand. Turn the playbook into a flywheel by publishing authority pages monthly, reviewing your dashboard, and refining scoring rules based on outcomes. Final thoughts. This 7-step system automates pool lead qualification, transforming your website into a reliable source of booked consultations. It replaces guesswork with intent, tracking, and automation, protecting your time and margins. In the next 12 months, teams aligning content, chat, scoring, and booking will dominate local demand. Imagine your calendar steadily filling with informed, ready homeowners. What would your business look like if every marketing dollar produced fewer, better, and faster bookings instead of more noise? Master automatic pool lead qualification with PoolLeads.ai. Use AI-powered SEO to improve organic visibility and help pool builders and contractors capture high-intent local leads, automate nurture, and book more consultations predictably. Book strategy call.